Howdy guys, welcome back to cruzermans inventions. So we are on part 2 of this speaker build, and I've actually brought up a proper stereo tester here, and I'll play it so that you can see what the sound difference is. Let's turn this up. The subs are running off Wolfdale sub amp. So it'll go from left to right. Just the tweeters. So let's put it down to here so we can hear it. Right. So yeah, pretty impressive. I'll just stop that for a moment. I actually just finished these last night. And I just managed to bring up, it's a proper speaker tester, like for if you build speakers and stuff, and you look up stereo speaker tests. All these are is just tests that people have put on there so that you can use them to test your speakers and stuff, to see if the tweeters are working, the mid-range and the bass and everything. These are the 12 inches here. They're running off the Wolfdale sub amp at 40 hertz, and that it's actually running 412s along the bottom here, because it's running the other set in these ones here as well. This is a set of LG. Whoa, that light! LG speakers here came with this amp here. This LG amp, and then I got a Pioneer one underneath, and these are linked up together. So my sub amp gets the signal from the bass out on this, not from the sub out, but it's you've got 2 lines coming out for mid bass and 2 lines coming out for subs. So you can run the subs separate and the top end separate. So out of the sub outs of this, I've got it running into RCA cords straight in as my signal. That's why it's really up front and a lot of power. Yeah, the numbers on this amp are only at 10, the top one, because I don't want it to outclip the bottom one, and then you can just use the sub amp and the bottom one for the mid basses and stuff like that. And geez, they sound really good. I'm actually pretty impressed with them. These are Response 12 inches from J-Cars, and they had them on special. They had a sale on a few days back. They were at $120 each, but now they were on special for $84 each. So I picked up 2 of them and built those cabinets. These cabinets have got 2 inputs in them at the back, so you can run the top end separate from the bottom end. You can run them on 2 separate amps if you wanted. So yeah, this is part 2 on the J-Car speaker build. So pretty cool. The results are really good, guys. So yeah, hopefully I won't get copyrighted for this, because this is actually put up for everybody. This tuner, they're proper tuners for testing your speakers and stuff. So yeah, I'm impressed with them. They sound real good. A few of my other speakers though, that I pulled apart, they're not here anymore. I did notice a big difference in the sound when I played them last night, but it was too late. I couldn't really turn it up, you know. So yeah, they are impressive. They're about 225 watt 12 inches, about 100 watt mid-range 6 inch, and maybe to 50 to 100 for the tweeter. It's a pretty cool tweeter. Yeah, I was going to put these ones in there. These are out of a Sony, but I couldn't. They were too hard to mount in there, and I didn't have hole cutting saws and stuff, and because I'm at a different place, I haven't got any of my tools with me, so I just had to make do with the best I could. And they came out pretty good, So told yous I'll be back with part 2, and so that was it, guys. And yeah, happy speaker building. I've built a lot of speakers in my time, and oh, they're just great. You go around, buy second-hand speakers because there's a good sound that you can hear in them. You take them out of those boxes, build your own boxes, put them in, and you could end up with a massive combination of different sounds. You know, you can get capacitors like this from J-Cars and stuff. This one here is a 1.5 UF at 50 V or something. So from 1.5 UF right up to 3.3 is for your tweeters, and then from 4.5 right up to 10 UF you use for your mid-range. But when you put those on, it blocks out the bass. No bass can get to them and destroy them. So that's the easiest way, and you have them mounted on the positive wire coming out of your tweeters or your mid-range. Yeah, that's the basicest way to make a simple crossover network. So it's pretty cool knowing that. And yeah, guys, so it's just a little video once again. Cool. If I get any more stuff, I'll make another little video, guys. So for you, so hang in there. Cool, guys. I should see you in another video coming up. Cruzerman out, guys.